Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 10 and the subject is maths, and we are proceeding the chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is polynomials. So the question is already written on the board that alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial given, that is fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, that is the general form of a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means the degree is 2. Then we are supposed to evaluate, we are supposed to find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta minus 2 alpha beta. How to find that? First of all, using that equation, or we can say that polynomial, quadratic polynomial, you can find out that alpha plus beta, as alpha and beta are the roots, alpha plus beta sum of the roots will be minus b upon a. At the same time, product of the roots will be c upon a. Now we have to use only these two information, and we have to sort out, or we have to evaluate that. To evaluate that, we will take, first of all we will consider this, and we will take the LCM, that is alpha beta. Alpha beta is LCM, then upside we will get beta plus alpha, and here minus 2 alpha beta. Now we know the value of now all these three terms. Beta plus alpha means alpha plus beta, that is given here. Alpha beta already given here. Again alpha beta. So we are supposed to substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alpha plus beta, that is minus b upon a, whole upon alpha beta means c upon a, minus 2 alpha beta, again c upon a. From here a cancel out a, so here it is minus b upon c minus 2c upon a. So here we can solve that, or we can leave it here only. Minus we can take common, b upon c plus 2c upon a, that will be our answer. But these basics should be clear to us, that if alpha beta are the roots, what will be the relation between the sum of the roots and the coefficient of the polynomial, and the product of the roots and the coefficient of the polynomial. As again I am repeating, here a is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. At the same time, we will take one more question. And that question is, if a polynomial is given, that is p of s. P of s means the variable is s. Polynomial in variable s, and that is 3s square minus 6s plus 4. This is the polynomial in variable s. Now we have to find the value of alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha and plus 2 into 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta plus 3 alpha beta plus 3 alpha beta. First of all, we are supposed to reduce this expression into the form which includes alpha plus beta and alpha beta only, because we know the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So what we will do, we will use the given polynomial and we will find out alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, means minus b is minus 6, minus 6 upon 3 means plus 6 upon 3, it means 2. The value of alpha plus beta is 2. At the same time, alpha beta is c upon a. C upon a means 4 upon 3. Now we got the sum of the roots and we got the product of the roots, means zeros. Again and again I am telling you that the solution or zeros or roots means the same thing in the polynomial. Now we will take the alpha beta here in these two terms, and we will take the LCM. Alpha beta upside we will get alpha square plus beta square, then plus 2. Again we will take here the alpha beta LCM, and here we will get beta plus alpha, and here we cannot do anything, 3 alpha beta. Now we will take that, we will try to solve that. We will get alpha beta and alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We have done many times. How to substitute alpha square plus beta square? We can substitute like this: alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, because alpha plus beta whole square is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, that plus 2 alpha beta. So plus 2 alpha, what we are getting after opening that the bracket will be cancelled out by minus 2 alpha beta, and we will be remain only with alpha square plus beta square. At the same time, this will be same. We can reverse beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta by the commutative property, plus 3 alpha beta. Now we are supposed to substitute the values of alpha plus beta, alpha beta, alpha plus beta, alpha beta, alpha beta, and alpha beta. So alpha plus beta, that is 2 square minus 2 into alpha beta. Alpha beta is 4 upon 3 whole upon alpha beta 4 upon 3 plus 2 into alpha plus beta, that is 2 upon alpha beta, that is 4 upon 3 again plus 3 into alpha beta is 4 upon 3. Now we will try to solve that. So we will do that 2 square, that is 4 minus 2 4 is 8 upon 3 whole upon 4 upon 3 plus 2 to the 4 divided by 4 upon 3 is multiplied by 3 upon 4 plus 3 cancel out, 3 means this 4. So now the space is less there, so we will continue this side. We will solve that. 4 here 12 is 12 minus 8 upon 3 upon 4 upon 3 plus 4 cancel out, 4 here it is 3 and here it is remaining only 4. So here again we will solve 12 minus 8, that is 4 upon 3 whole upon 4 upon 3 plus 7. Here it will be cancelled out and we will remain with 1 plus 7, that is 8. So 8 is the answer. So what we have done, we were given a polynomial in variable s, and we are supposed to evaluate alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha plus 2 into 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta plus 3 alpha beta, and the value of this whole big expression is only 8. We can solve such type of questions if our basics are clear and we are proceeding in a systematic manner. I hope that you will try some of the questions which are based on this method, and after completing the question you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.